get these different lashes. Hopefully they work, but we'll see.
Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke. Now I'm getting rich. Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz, and I decided to make a video on me putting on my individual lashes because I asked on my Instagram if anybody wanted to know how I put them on, because I do put these on and they last me 2 to 3 weeks. I'm about to show you guys what I used for my glue and what I used for my lashes, how I did it, and hopefully this helps you guys learn how to do them like me. I am not a professional. I don't even do them the way that you're supposed to do it, but this is how I do it and this is what works for me, and I really love them because, like, look at that. I just gotta put mascara and I'm ready. Like, come on, who doesn't like to wake up and be ready, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. If you want to know how to do it, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. What I am using here is the Kiss Lash Couture Strip Lash Adhesive, and I use the one that's black. So this is what it looks like. And for the lashes, I'm using Andrea Lashes Wispie Effect. So this is what they look like. And I've actually never used these before. Okay, so I will go ahead and insert a picture showing you guys which ones I regularly use, because that will last me around 2 to 3 weeks. So I do my own individual lashes and I don't use permanent glue, as you guys saw. So I'm gonna use this, and then I need to go get my eyebrow plucker thingies because I forgot to get them. Okay, I'm back. So you just need any of these, right? So I put some mascara on my lashes, just a little bit, just so they could be a little bit darker, so I could be able to see where to place the eyelash. And I'm gonna be looking into this camera on this side, so if I'm just staring over there, it's because I'm staring to see what's coming out over there, to make sure that you guys are able to even see what I'm doing. To put this, doesn't matter what you're using, but I'm using this one, the Falsies Express Maybelline, I don't know, it just is whatever. So I'm just gonna put this. As you guys see, I do not have long lashes, and a lot of them have fallen off because I used to put, like, there's a wasp over there, oh my god, lashes, but with like permanent glue, and my lashes would fall off because I would just yank them off, because that liquid that comes with it to take it off didn't even work. So I was like, why do you even come in the package if you don't do anything? So that's why I ended up bald, and then I'm like, okay, but they're not that bad right now. But doing it with the adhesive that's not permanent, it helps a lot more to, like, stay with your lashes on still. I'm gonna be using a mirror right now, so let's see how I do it so it won't block the screen, because I can't see through this little thing, honestly. So, like, when you shower, just be careful, like, if you put them on, because since it's not permanent, like, if you, like, pull them while you're in the shower, you will take them off. But I'll rub my eyes, making sure I'm cleaning them right. I'm not like barely touching, you know, like, I'm actually cleaning my eyes, but I'm not pulling. So don't pull, because then you will mess up your lashes, and we don't want to do that, you know. You got to start with the glue. So I already have a glue, guys, but I literally went and bought this just so you guys could see the packaging on it. Sorry, I'm making all this noise. Glue. So we're gonna go ahead and get this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this. It has a little brush on it, so it's really cool. Okay, it has a little brush, and you could just, like, wipe it on. Here there's medium, and then there is short. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting the medium all so what I personally do is I do use this little plastic thing. So this is where the lashes came in. I just took this out, and I'm gonna place my lashes on here, right? I'm not a professional, just saying. So if I'm doing them wrong according to you, I'm sorry. This is the way I do it, and this is the way I love to do it. So, okay, so you know how the lash usually curls up? So what I go ahead and do is I leave it like that, and normally you put the glue on the bottom of the lash, right? And you put it on top. I put the glue on the top of the lash, and I put it underneath. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So they could be quicker. I get the glue, I get the lashes, and I put it, like I said, on the top, not on the bottom. I put it on the top, and I just place them here. That way they start, like, getting tacky. So I just start putting them like that, and then, like, I'll just grab them and be putting them on. So I finish a little bit. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the lash, what I'm talking about. You see how it's curled up? I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sorry that this thing's like dirty, guys. It's glue. So like that, you're gonna get the little brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on the top like this. Oh my god, I'm not even grabbing the lash. Okay, so you're gonna do it like that. I can't even see, guys. I'm freaking blind. But you do it like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this, like I said, I use this. I'm gonna put it on there and just let it start drying. I just put it on there. I'm just gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna be doing that to like a couple of lashes, and then I'll be just gonna grab it like right here. Okay, so let's do this. I don't know why I feel nervous, like if I've never done this before. Okay, so I have a lot of them. I'm gonna grab. Really, I just like blew one off. Oh my goodness. Okay, sometimes I do put like a little bit more glue on top of that, and then I don't really let it dry. That way it dries on my lash, but I go ahead and put it the closest that I can to my lash line. And hopefully it works, guys, because I've never used these lashes before. I always use the other ones that I showed you like previously, so let's pray that these stay as long. So I just add like a little bit more glue, like I said. And then you put it on, and then you just start separating your lashes, like the gap. Make it the same size every single time that you move over. If you want it fuller, put them closer together. You're gonna put more lashes on. If you want it just like very natural, then just put a little bit, and then like a little space, and then like not another one, and then what am I saying? Okay, make sure you count how many you use of the bigger size and how many you use of the smaller size, because then you're gonna be wearing like different sizes and it's gonna be noticeable. So make sure that you're counting. I put 1, 2 medium size, right? So just be doing that 1, 2 medium size. You could be doing one eye and the other eye, because that's what I normally do. That's all I do, like the whole way. Sorry, I'm like putting my eyeball in your face, but that's what I do like the whole way.
Wait, you need to do it faster, okay?
Okay, I do.
Do your makeup faster, okay?
Okay.
Right, so let's do this again.
So remember I told you guys I put 6 on this side. I went ahead and put 6 on this side, that way it's even. In between, I'm gonna go ahead and add more lashes. I do want a fuller look, so I am gonna go ahead and add to like in between the gaps that you guys see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. Okay, so to show you what I mean by putting them in between, so like right there, there's a gap like right here in between that lash.
So you're gonna go ahead and put it the same way that you put the other lashes. Put it right there in between.
Okay, so I'm done. This is what they look like. So I don't know what the heck happened with my glue. It like exploded or something, but it got all dirty. It was brand new. You guys saw it. I don't know. My hands are black. I had to go wash them in between this. But this is what they're looking like right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on them. I still need to clean the top, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I need to clean it with like coconut oil. So I didn't put the short ones in the inside, okay? I normally do when I use the other lashes. It's just that these, they're flares, so like they covered up like if they were in there, you know. I like them, so hopefully they stay on for a long time and hopefully they work. So right now all I'm gonna do is add some mascara. So if they start falling off when you're doing this, that means that they were not dry, so just stick it back on. I was like, they're gonna end up with mascara on the top of my lid, but ignore that, cause yeah. Let's see if I can curl them already. So if they're not dry, they will fall off, guys. So you gotta be careful, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl them.
I think this one, I don't know. I don't know if it's right yet. Okay, it worked. Okay, so now we're gonna okay, so
How do you guys like them? You like them?